We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam on a Canon Pixma G-6020 printer. So just follow. Alright guys, so I went ahead and pulled out my paper tray. So what you want to do here is you want to make sure that these blue tabs are in the correct, locked into the correct size of media that you're using. Then also what you want to do is you have these max little level indicators. You never want to fill past this or too close to it. If you do, then it could be too hard for the printer to pick up the paper. So I'll show you this will adjust. Just make sure it's back in the correct position. Then also another thing, when you are adding paper to your tray, you never just want to go in and just add the paper to the tray, because if you do, a lot of times it will not be aligned. So what we recommend is to take your old paper and mix it with your new paper. Go ahead and fan it out to remove any condensation that might be stuck in the pages. Then go ahead and align all sides and put it in the printer all at one time. Alright guys, that's it. Follow these steps and you should be able to clear most jams, but not all. If you're still having lots of jams, it's probably time to put your printer in for service. Thanks for watching our video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.